He took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere. A singer in a smoky room, the smell of wine and cheap perfume. For a smile they can share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard, their shadows searching in the night. Streetlights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. Working hard to get my fill. Everybody wants a thrill, paying anything to roll the dice just one more time. Some will win, some will lose. Some of them just sing the blues. Oh, the movie never ends. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard, their shadows searching in the night. Streetlights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Streetlight people. Don't stop believing. Hold on. Streetlight people. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Streetlight
Mother sucker.
New York to San Francisco, we drunk, we sippin' Clico. LA to Puerto Rico, we see the chicks, we mango. I like the way you do it, so baby, can we do it? And lady, when you move it, just put your back into it. From Vegas to Miami, we sippin' on Bacardi. We kick it like karate. See, first we hit the party, and then the after party, and then I leave with shawty, and then we go get naughty. Another shot, I'm turned up. 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 Another shot, and it's back to back. I get back up on the track with an ass to smack. I got a glassy yak, I got some Rastamak. I got a red bowl chillin', I'll be back for that. Don't know for style, I face my hat. Got haters on my dick, I got chicks for that. Got Patron in my glass, I can sip for that. For the dildo, I got dick for that. Tell your friend come too, if you knew what these pills would do to you. Look at all this weed that we just blew. Chillin' with some strippers, call it deja vu. Bless Let's not look, you can't say I chew. Married to the party like say I do. If you love the party, then scream I do. Baby wanna kick it like I know Kung Fu. Grown man business till the chick come through. Pulling down the panties, then it's Hurricane Blue. True, excuse me, but I'm just trying to party, y'all. Mad titties in my life like it's Mardi Gras. WWE me, I'm hella raw. We can have a couple shots, chill by the bar. Let me hit Hollywood like a movie star. Got a bag full of kush, full of dubia.